Hi, everyone, and welcome to CE Institute. My name is Selena Belisle. I am the founder, one of the board approved CE instructors, and I'm also a retired professional athlete. I've won 3 WAF world titles. My first was in the Athens Olympic Stadium in Athens, Greece back in 1989 as an arm wrestler. So I have quite a bit of experience, A, as a massage therapist, and B, as a professional athlete who's overtrained, and won many titles. Now, I love practicing sporting event massage where we can work on athletes and help improve imp- help them improve their physical performance and also help relieve any discomfort that comes from training and competing as well. Keep in mind that this is continuing education that we teach here. So you should already be a licensed healthcare provider, licensed massage therapist, nurse, physical therapist, occupational therapist, somebody who's already had rudimentary training in touching and working with people so that can rule out contraindications, precautions, infectious disease pathologies, and more before hands-on work. Let me show you what sports event massage looks like, just simply working on an arm, what we teach here at the school in our sporting event massage. Here it is. So we usually have our clients clothed. They're athletes that are literally walking away from competition, and we don't compete naked, right? So we're not going to get undressed. Sometimes we can't even lift our arms after competing. Maybe they are running a marathon or something like that. You're in a huge tent and there's 30 massage tables and you're all, practicing in one area. This is what I would do to practice on the arm. Ready? So we're going to take the arm off the table and we're going to just start jostling. Anyone hear of Milton Traeger or Traeger? He was a boxer and he created this whole modality called Traeger. This is not Traeger, this is jostling, which is similar to Traeger practice, okay? We're just getting that shoulder and the elbow and the wrist moving along. Now we're going to do something called strumping. It's pushing and moving a joint through range of motion. We're strumping the latissimus dorsi right now, which feels really nice, bringing blood circulation back to the area with shoulder range of motion. Nice sequence to work the arm. Now we're going to do something called strumping that we practice here at the school. We're pushing into the tissue, in this case, the tricep and the posterior deltoid, as we flex the elbow over the side of the table. Okay. So this is a nice little sequence. From here, we're going to do some twisting in the palmar fascia. And then we're just going to do some ischemic compression up the arm and through the shoulder. So that is what working the arm looks like here in our sports event massage class at CE Institute. That's a tiny little unit of our sports massage training here. And we do teach therapists how they might practice at a sporting event. We give you all different types of hands-on routines, different skills and strokes you can do, and then we tie it together in these routines and sequences, just like I did that one on the posterior arm. Here are some of the sports massage offerings we have in training here at the school. All of this is hands-on practice, and we also include science and theory and application approaches in our sports massage training. If you want to learn more, you can register for our sports massage training at ceinstitute.com. That's CE as in continuing education, institute.com. Our home study training is available to you immediately, and it's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from when you purchase it until your course access expires. We'll send you an email once you register, and you'll be able to access that right away and get on your way to learning a larger sports event massage routine. Until we see you in training, be safe.